Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Place the watch on its charger and wake your iPhone. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on and you're signed into the same Apple ID. Open the Apple Watch app and tap Start Pairing. The app looks for the watch automatically. If you see a pairing animation on the watch, point your iPhone camera at it so the app reads the pattern. This quick action establishes the encrypted link that lets health, notifications, and backups sync securely between devices. Once paired, you decide whether to set up as a new watch or restore a backup. Choose based on continuity needs. You'll pick wrist orientation and create a passcode to protect payments and health data. Enable location, Siri, analytics, and Apple Pay now to avoid redoing steps later. The phone will install watchOS apps and transfer settings. Let the devices sit close and plugged in. Make sure the progress indicator reaches 100%. Finish by testing core features. Place a call, send a message, check activity and watch faces to verify complications update. Make sure haptics and notifications behave as you expect and tweak settings in the watch app. If pairing fails, restart both devices and try the exact pairing steps again. This clears temporary Bluetooth or Wi-Fi faults. If problems persist, unpair from the Apple Watch app, which makes a backup, then repair and restore that backup to recover your settings and data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.